So this is the 5th year we've been involved in this program and the 5th year we've hosted this program. It's a wonderful, diverse group of people as well, and that's something we've seen more and more. What we've noticed is creativity, inclusivity and resilience are the 3 characteristics which make up a wonderful entrepreneur.
The winner of the New Frontiers Award is going to Paul McCarthy.
I just can't believe it. I wasn't expecting it, I genuinely wasn't expecting it, so I'm absolutely thrilled. Snapfix is a very simple photo-based platform for the maintenance and upkeep of buildings. We use photos, tags and messaging, just like WhatsApp, to manage everything in a building from maintenance to fire safety to housekeeping, cleaning, renovations and fit-outs. Our plan for 2020 is to sell. We've built a fantastic platform, we've proven it out in the market, and our plan now is to sell it all across Ireland, all across the UK and all across the States.
When we assessed, we looked for timing. Timing is always crucial for the opportunity within the marketplace. The size of the potential market, how have they started the process, how have they validated the business model. This year's winner actually stood out for us because it was very simple. It's a very simple solution. His scaling is actually going to be quite seamless because of the target markets that he's actually reached out to are mainly global, and he has a very strong team behind him. And they've raised 800,000 and they're now looking for the next funding round of 2 million.